Hello 7th standard students, welcome back. We were discussing about the lesson exponents and powers. Now coming to the worksheet 5. First question, simplify. 2 to the power minus 1 minus 3 to the power minus 1 the whole raised to minus 1 plus 6 to the power minus 1 minus 8 to the power minus 1 the whole raised to minus 1. All with the negative powers. So 2 to the power minus 1 can be written as what? 1 by 2 minus 3 to the power minus 1 can be written as 1 by 3 the whole raised to minus 1 plus 6 to the power minus 1 can be written as 1 by 6 minus 8 to the power minus 1 can be written as 1 by 8 the whole raised to minus 1. Now it is a fraction, so we have to solve. So the LCM is 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3 minus 3 2s are 6, 2 1s are 2 raised to minus 1. So जैसे है वैसे ही अंदर से वो सॉल्व करने का और minus 1 पावर डालने का. अभी 6 and 8, what is the LCM? It is 6 and 8 is 24, isn't it? So 24, 6 4s are 24, 4 1s are 4 minus 8 3s are 24, 3 1s are 3 raised to minus 1. Now it became 3 minus 2 is 1 by 6 the whole raised to minus 1 plus this became 1 by 24 the whole raised to minus 1. अभी फिर से नेगेटिव पावर है तो 1 by 6 बनेगा 6 to the power 1, नहीं लिखेंगे power 1 plus 1 by 24 to the whole raised to minus 1 becomes 24. So 6 plus 24 is 30. Understood? इधर नेगेटिव पावर्स का वो लॉ यूज करके किए हैं. Now coming to the second sum, 2 to the power minus 1 into 3 to the power minus 1 the whole raised to 2 into minus 3 by 8 the whole raised to minus 1. Now this becomes 2 to the power minus 1 becomes how much? 1 by 2 into 3 to the power minus 1 becomes 1 by 3, isn't it? The raised to, the whole raised to 2 into, now it is a negative power, so we have to do the reciprocal, so it becomes minus 8 by 3. Okay, now this one, now 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 becomes how much? 1 by 6 the whole raised to 2 into minus 8 by 3. Okay, now we can write 1 by 36, isn't it? 6 6 are 36, otherwise 1 by 6 you write 2 times, and this is minus 8 by 3. Now cutting is there, that is why I have written this 2 times, otherwise directly you can write 36. Okay, now cutting, how it will be? 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 2, 2s are 2, 3s are. Now it will be minus, numerator is how much? Minus 2 and denominator is 3 3 3, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So you got minus 2 by 27. Understood? Now coming to the third sum, it is again negative power. 4 to the power minus 1 can be written as what? 1 by 4 into 3 to the power minus 1 as 1 by 3 divided by 12 to the power minus 1 can be written as 1 by 12. Okay, now 1 by 4 into 1 by 3. 1 by 4 3s are 12 divided by 1 by 12. See the same numbers division. 1 by 12 divided by 1 by 12. Answer is 1. Same number divided, then 1. Same fraction division, then also it is 1. Okay. So that was about the question number 1, subdivision 3. Now coming to the subdivision 4. 1 by 2 the whole raised to minus 2 becomes what? 2 to the power 2. 1 by 2 का reciprocal क्या है? 2. And this becomes positive. Now 1 by 3 का reciprocal है 3 and the power negative 2 becomes plus 2. Plus 1 by 4 का reciprocal 4 और ये बनेगा minus 2 का 2. क्यों ऐसे किए? When the power is negative, write the reciprocal and put the positive power. Okay. अभी 2 square, 2 2s are 4, 3 square, 3 3s are 9, 4 square, 4 4s are 16. Now 16 plus 4 is 20 plus 9, 29. Okay. Hope everyone is understanding now. Now coming to the fifth sum. 2 to the power minus 1 means it becomes 1 by 2 divided by 5 to the power minus 1 becomes 1 by 5. The whole raised to 2 into the power is negative, so make it positive by writing the reciprocal minus 8 by 5. 5 by 8 बनता है 8 by 5. Okay, next step is 1 by 2 divided by. So fraction का division में क्या करते हैं हम? Multiplying the reciprocal. Isn't it? 1 by 5 becomes 5 by 1. जो पावर है वही डालो into minus 8 by 5. Okay, now it is 5 by 2 the whole square into minus 8 by 5. ठीक है, मैं स्क्वायर को ही लिखती हूँ, आप लोगों को 2 बार लिखेंगे फिर कंफ्यूज हो जाओगे. तो 5 squared is how much? 25. 2 squared is 4 and here minus 8 by 5. 5 ones are 5 5s are 4 ones are 4 2s are. अभी बना ये प्लस माइनस माइनस 5 2s are 10. So the answer is minus 10. Okay. Now coming to the sixth subdivision. 3 by 7 the whole raised to minus 2. क्या बनता है? रेसिप्रोकल है ना. 7 by 3 the whole raised to 2 divided by, इधर भी नेगेटिव पावर है तो रेसिप्रोकल 7 by 4 the whole raised to 2. अभी क्या है ये? The powers are same, bases are different. So क्या कर सकते हैं हम? We can divide the bases, isn't it? So otherwise 7 by 3, 7 square कितना आएगा? 7 7s are 49, 3 3s are 9 divided by 7 7s are 49, 4 4 जा 16. अभी 49/9, इधर डिवीजन का मतलब मल्टीप्लाई 16/49 है ना. फ्रैक्शन में डिवीजन मतलब मल्टीप्लाइंग द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ द सेकेंड वन. ओके, ये बना 49 49 कट 1 जा. नाउ 9 and 16, 9 and 16 कटिंग नहीं होगा, so the final answer is 16/9. Okay, now coming to the seventh sum, 2/5 the whole raised to -1. So this becomes 5/2 the whole raised to 1 is 1. Okay, into 3/4 the whole raised to -1 becomes 4/3 है ना. और 1 तो नहीं लिखेंगे हम. the whole raised to a -1. now 2 1s are 2 2s are. अभी आगे कटिंग नहीं है तो 5 2s are 10/3 the whole raised to -1. अभी नेगेटिव पावर है तो रेसिप्रोकल, सो ये बना 3/10 और पावर 1 नहीं लिखेंगे, तो आंसर मिला 3/10. नाउ कमिंग टू द seventh sum over. Now coming to the eighth sum. It is 4 to the power 5 divided by 4 to the power 8 into 64. Okay. Now the bases are same. 4 to the power 5 minus 8. Subtract the powers when it is a division in between. Into अभी 64. ओके, ये बनेगा 4 to the power 5 minus 8 becomes -3 है ना, into 64. now 4 to the power -3 means what? 1/4 the power 3. नेगेटिव पावर मतलब रेसिप्रोकल 1/4 the power 3. दैट में इंटू 64. अभी 1/4 क्यूब, 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64 इंटू 64. ये दोनों 1s are, सो आंसर है 1. 4 cube is 64. So find the value, then cutting. Now coming to the ninth sum. Again it is how are the bases? All bases are same. So 4/5, in between it is multiplication sign. So first is -3 plus 2 plus 3. 4/5 the whole raised to plus 3 minus 3 0, जो बचा है 2. That means 4 squared upon 5 squared. 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 20. Hope everyone is understanding. Okay, now coming to the 10th sum. This is little bit tricky. -1/2 the whole raised to 3 upon -1/2 the whole raised to -4 minus -1/2 the whole raised to -5 upon -1/2 the whole raised to -6. So question is given like this. So we will put extra one bracket. Like this you put. Now it will be easy for you. So first solve this. It is a -1/2 division means what we have to do? The power, it will be -3 minus -4, isn't it? Minus, this becomes -1/2, the whole raised to, how much it will be? -5 minus of -6. It became -1/2 -3 plus 4. Here -1/2 -5 plus 6. That means -1/2 the power 1 minus -1/2. Now -1/2, minus of minus becomes plus 1/2. Plus minus same, then it is what? 0. So what we did? First ये कॉलम को पहले करने का, -1/2 -3 माइनस ऑफ -4, दैट मीन्स +4 बनता है. इधर -5 ऑफ -6 है ना, सब्ट्रैक्ट करने का है, तो -5 + 6, सो दोनों का पावर बन गया 1. सो -1/2 + 1/2, माइनस ऑफ माइनस प्लस बनेगा, इसके लिए 0. ठीक है. When the bases are same, in multiplication add the powers, in division subtract the powers. So इधर थोड़ा आपको संभलने का है. Hope everyone understood up to here. Worksheet 5, question number 1. We have finished. Okay then, bye. Thank you. Take care.